Hello, welcome. I'm so glad you're here today. I'm going to share with you some really super easy Mother's Day songs. They are all sung to tunes that you know, nursery rhymes. I like to use these kind of songs with the younger grades because they're just quick and easy to teach. And in one class time, I can teach them the whole song, I can teach them the actions, and then I can have them perform it for their teacher or send the song with the teacher so she can use it in her classroom for a program or performance. So I'll just go through each of these songs and share the words with you and the actions and sing the song. And some of these are free resource, so you can get them in my TPT store, Mother's Day freebie. And the other ones come in a product called Mother's Day Songs and Poems because it has literacy activities in it like writing, there's a card, there's an invitation, there's even a script you can use for a Mother's Day program. So here are some cute and easy to learn Mother's Day songs. The first one is sung to the tune of Mary Had a Little Lamb. So the lyrics go like this. Mother, you are very sweet. And then that repeats, very sweet, very sweet. Mother, you are very sweet. And that's why I love you. So we can put some simple actions with those words. It makes it pretty easy. You can come up with some that you might like. Here's the ones that I use all the time. So for mother, I'm just going to have them clasp their hands like this. Mother, you are very sweet, very sweet, very sweet. Mother, you are very sweet, and that's why I love you. And when I sing the song, I will actually slow down that part so they go, and that's why I love you. If that's the only song you're going to sing, what I like to do is have them blow their mom a kiss in the air right after they finish singing it. So the song looks and sounds like this. Mother, you are very sweet, very sweet, very sweet. Mother, you are very sweet, and that's why I love you. Okay, the next song is Mother's Day is Here. And it's super simple. It goes to the tune of Row, row, row your boat. The words are, Mother's Day is here, so let's celebrate. We'll sing and laugh and play and dance because you're really great. Let's put some actions with the words. I'm just going to use this for Mother's Day is here. Mother's Day is here, so let's celebrate. And then I'm just going to have them move their arms like this, like they're dancing. There's 4 words in a row. Sing, dance, play, laugh. So I would repeat those a couple times for them, and that's why we're just going to do this. It goes quite quickly. We'll sing, dance, play, and laugh. You can even have them go 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll sing, dance, play, and laugh. And then the last line is because you're really great. And this is the sign for the word great. So we'll just do this at the end. Because you're really great. All right, it looks like this. Mother's Day is here, so let's celebrate. We'll sing and dance and play and laugh because you're really great. Then, of course, you can do the blow a kiss in the air at the end too. Another thing you can do at the end is to go like this and clap, or you can have them take a bow, and you can always do the I love you at the end of any of the songs. All right, here's another song called I Love You, Mommy, and it is to the tune of You Are My Sunshine. So it's pretty easy to learn, and these are the words. I love you, Mommy, my awesome mommy. I know you love me, and it is true. I want to tell you how much I need you, and that I'll always love you too. Now, if there seems to be a lot of words in a song, like this one has kind of a lot of words, I might do a clapping echo repeat after me to teach the words to them. And this song isn't as familiar as like Mary Had a Little Lamb or Twinkle Little Star. So let's try the echo just so you can see how that would work and if that will help you teach your students the song. I love you, Mommy. And then you're going to wait. My awesome mommy. I know you love me. And it is true. I want to tell you how much I need you and that I'll always love you too. And we might do that last line a couple of times. Then I would echo sing it the same way. I love you, Mommy. My awesome mommy. I know you love me, and it is true. I want to tell you how much I need you, and that I'll always love you too. Then I would sing the whole song without actions. I love you, Mommy, my awesome mommy. I know you love me, and it is true. I want to tell you how much I need you, and that I'll always love you too. Now let's put some hand actions. So, I love you, Mommy. I love you, Mommy. My awesome, we can just blink our hands. My awesome mommy. I know you love me. I know you love me. And it is true. Thumbs up. I want to tell you, just do the tell here, how much I need you. We'll just use need and love, the same action. I want to tell you how much I need you, and that I'll always love you too. So the whole thing together looks like this. I love you, Mommy, my awesome mommy. I know you love me, and it is true. I want to tell you how much I need you, and I'll always love you too. Okay, this song is called Mother, Mother, and it's sung to the tune of Baa Baa Black Sheep, which is very similar to Twinkle Little Star. So the first line is, Mother, Mother, don't you agree? I love you and you love me. We will learn and we will grow happily because we know. Mother, Mother, don't you agree? I love you and you love me. Oh, the actions are pretty easy. We're just going to say, Mother, Mother, don't you agree? So, I love you and you love me. You won't be able to do two loves, just have them go you and you love me. Then you can come up with some actions depending on the age. So keep it simple so they can keep up. We will learn and we will grow happily because we know. Mother, Mother, don't you agree? I love you and you love me. So the whole thing looks like this. And try and get your kids to smile. You know, cheese or hamburger, French fries, something. Mother, Mother, don't you agree? I love you and you love me. We will learn and we will grow happily because we know. Mother, Mother, don't you agree? I love you and you love me. Okay, our next song is sung to Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, and it's just called Mother's Day. And here's how the words go. Mother's Day is just for you. It's my way to say thank you. You are sweet and you are nice. You make everything all right. Mother's Day is just for you. This kiss and hug. Say, I love you. Now, if you're doing all of these songs that I'm sharing, you might want to change instead of I love you constantly. You could do I love you. The kids like to make this heart, I love you. That would be a nice little switch. Mother's Day is just for you. It's my way to say thank you. You are sweet and you are nice. You make everything just right. Mother's Day is just for you. This kiss and hug say, I love you. Mother's Day is just for you. It's my way to say thank you. You are sweet and you are nice. You make everything all right. Mother's Day is just for you. This kiss and hug say, I love you. This next song is a song that I wrote, and it is on the Sing, Play, Create Kids music channel. I will play just a snippet for you. You can find the song on any of your favorite music channels like Spotify, Amazon, and Apple iTunes. And there also is a resource if you want to get it that has a card and activities in it to go along with the song. Mother's Day is just for you, just for you, just for you. Mother's Day is just for you, and I love you. You are awesome, yes it's true, yes it's true, yes it's true. You are awesome, yes it's true, and I love you. Happy Mother's Day, it's your special day. Let's all shout hooray, 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 hooray. Mother's Day is just for you, just for you, just for you. Mother's Day is just for you, and I love you. I'm hoping you'll use some of these songs to celebrate Mother's Day in your classroom and help your students show their appreciation for their moms. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you'll take a second and subscribe to the channel. Let's keep kids moving and learning with music.